Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, so we're at the Hanover Preston Hollow. The Hanover Preston Hollow, these are recently built, beautiful, and they're all ready for you. We're gonna go look at the one bedroom model here. This is number 713. So we're gonna walk in and take a look at it. Oh, it's beautiful, you're gonna love it. Wow, take a look. It's just a sumptuous, really sumptuous one bedroom here. It looks just gorgeous. I mean, it's so well lighted. It's light, it's elegant. It's like a perfect model of a high rise. It really is. The appliances are great. Of course, it's got gas to cook with and gorgeous cabinets. It's a light wood. And look at this backsplash, really beautiful. Looks like almost a granite backsplash. It's really pretty. Gorgeous. Lots of space here. You do have the washer and dryer included, of course. Beautiful floor. It's kind of oak color floor. It's really nice. And then look at this area here too. You've got spaces for 3 of these bar stools to eat normally, I guess, when you don't have company, or you can just eat here at this breakfast table. You can have this space in here. I also love the built-in desk. That's just beautiful. And then you've got a really spacious, nice one bedroom here. This is gorgeous. Look at how much space you have. You're going to be able to have a lot of people over. You can have, just with the spacing here, about 8 or 9 people easily can have over and really have a good time. The color of the walls are really nice, just kind of a neutral off-white, really pretty. And then of course you're going to have that balcony here. So the balcony is gorgeous. You're going to have great views of the city. We'll take a look out there at the balcony in just a minute. But this is part 1 of the one bedroom model. Isn't it just beautiful? And now, how about you take a tour for your own personal tour, personalized Zoom tour? What you need to do is send me a text and say, hey Grant, I love what I'm seeing. I'd love my own personal Zoom tour of the Hanover Preston Hollow. And what we'll do is we'll go ahead and take care of that for you. We'll go ahead and set that up. It can be as early as today, depending on the time of day, or it could be tomorrow. So send me a text, just say, hi Grant, and we'll go from there. My number is below.